Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm here with another confirmed free airdrop, Sandwatch. So get to the description box, click on the link, you'll be directed to the website. Log in. Okay, click on login, connect to your Phantom wallet. If you don't have a Phantom wallet, you have to install it, because I would advise you should use your Phantom wallet for this particular airdrop. Connecting. So after connecting to your Phantom wallet, you enter your seat code, which is 2A435F. You will find the seat code on the description box. So click on enter. Then you'll be taken in where you have to confirm your seat. Then enter your username. If you want to upgrade your seat from basic to premium, I think you have to spend some soul for it. You can click on basic seat and upgrade. So after entering your username, confirm your seat. You'll be directed to your dashboard. Click on basic seat. That's where you will find all available tasks to perform, like join Telegram, click on Discord. So starting with join Telegram, I was having a bit of network issues, so I don't think I'll be able to perform this particular one. So going back to basic seats, click on link Discord. The network issue was quite difficult as I was recording this video, so I will perform the task I can and leave the rest for you to perform on your own. So continue on Discord. Let's know if this will work. It's still not working. Join community channel. I'm still finding it difficult. The network connection was so bad. So let me try perform another task. Join community channel. It's not taking me to Telegram, so I will have to stop this here. Guys, perform the task on your own. Perform the task if you have one soul. If you have up to one soul on your Phantom wallet, this hold over one soul will be clicked, so you can take your reward. Then don't forget the description box. You will find the link and the seat code. Smash the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and like this video so I can get more views. Thank you guys. Bye.